Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we have another special speaker for you. This one's a very cost-effective and yet a very good speaker as well. I've seen some reviews in Lazada and the users are very quite happy about it as well. So I want to know myself, so I bought this speaker, this Bluetooth speaker, a very small speaker. It's a mini speaker. It's a portable speaker from TNG. The model is TG-505. The TG-505 from TNG. Okay, I bought this from the TNG flagship store in Lazada. So what's on the box? Basically, the picture of the red version of the speaker, and at the back you will see some specs, some diagram, line drawing, and also the varied selection that includes also the different types of design of the 505. So the 505 has black color, red, blue, and then a variant of a red with the canvas on the grill side, and there's also the blue one with another variant of the cover for the speakers, and another one which you'll see later. So this small baby has 3-watt speakers. It has a Bluetooth version 5, and of course, according to them, it works from 10 meters away using the Bluetooth wireless signal. The unit size, basically, it's 95 by 46 by 97 millimeters. As you can see already, it's very small. See, this is my hand, and this is how tall it is. Okay, what are we waiting for? Let's do some unboxing. Let's pull out the unit. Okay, so that's the unit. Okay, it only has the charging cable, no aux cable for this one, and it has a manual. It has the Chinese side and the English side. So here is the product. Let's slide it out. Oops. Okay, ta-da! So this is the TG-505. Okay, take a look at that beauty. Okay, so this is the TG-505, and the outside, of course, the body is made out of ABS plastic. The grill is not metal, it's plastic, but it has some mesh, cloth mesh on it. And what else? At the back there's an exhaust. So that's the exhaust. At the back also is where you could find the usual suspect, and IOs and the power button. Okay, as you could see, this side is the for the power cable, the USB, micro USB, and the middle is the power button, power switch, not a button. On this side is the TF or SD card reader, and on top of it is the USB port. At least this one has a USB port, unlike the Mitsubishi BT02-01 BT02-102. It's an expensive mini a bar type speaker, but it doesn't have a USB port. Okay, which is a mistake for them because it costs around 600 pesos. This one costs less than 350 pesos if you go to Lazada. Okay. Okay, on the top, as you can see, the control panel, it has the mode, the plus and minus for skipping files, and reversing files, reverse and forward music, and also increasing the volume. On the other side is the play and pause. Okay, play and pause. Okay, this one also has a dangle or a sling. Okay, and it also has some rubber stoppers on the bottom. Okay, and at the back, of course, again, there's a diaphragm or an exhaust for the bass. Okay, one of the reason why it has some silicone covering, so it has some splash proofing into it. I don't know the IPX rating for this one, but you could definitely bring it to your shower or beside the swimming pool, as long as you don't dip it in the water. Okay, it is not it's not even IPX6, 7 or 8, so it cannot do underwater, it cannot do high pressure water, but maybe rainwater it can tolerate. Okay, and some water splashes, but the volume of water should not be that too much. Okay,
play by USB drive. Play by USB drive. by USB drive. FM mode. AUX mode. Bluetooth mode. FM mode. AUX mode.
So what's my take when it comes to the sound? This small but terrible speaker is worth your money actually. It's like buying the TG-505. Is it here? Yeah. Yeah, it's like buying the TG-505. The bass is also good considering that the speaker here is only a 3-watt speaker and it's a single speaker. I guess the diaphragm and whatever material they put greatly enhanced the bass for this one. So it depends on the type of music that you're playing, but I can assure you it could take the bass, as you have heard in the sound testing we did earlier. So that's a very, very good sign. Okay, so finally, when it comes to price, it's just less than 300 pesos, less than 350 pesos, and you could buy it from the TNG flagship store in Lazada. Again, this is Charlie Jose. Thank you for watching this amazing video with this amazing mini portable speaker that I have here, the 505. So again, see you next week and see you for another product review. Bye-bye!
Shake it.